The Battle of Langside, fought on May 13, 1568, was a pivotal conflict in the struggle for control of the Scottish crown. The battle took place near Glasgow and marked the end of Mary, Queen of Scots' attempt to regain the throne after her forced abdication in favor of her infant son, James VI, the previous year. Mary had been imprisoned but escaped from Loch Leven Castle and rallied support among her loyal followers, seeking to challenge the regency of her half-brother, James Stuart, Earl of Moray. Mary's forces, numbering around 6,000 men, faced off against Moray's well-prepared army of approximately 4,000. The battle was brief but fierce. Moray's troops, strategically positioned on the high ground, repelled repeated attacks by Mary's forces, who struggled to break through the defensive line. Superior tactics and the advantageous position led to a decisive victory for Moray. Mary's defeat at Langside effectively ended her hopes of reclaiming the throne. She fled to England, seeking protection from her cousin, Queen Elizabeth I, only to be imprisoned for 19 years before her eventual execution. The battle solidified Moray's control over Scotland and marked a turning point in the Scottish Reformation and power dynamics of the British Isles.